Hi friends, welcome back to Purus Java Tech Tutorials. In this session, I'm going to download JDK 1.8 version and I'm going to show you how to run a sample Java program. So we need to go and download the JDK 1.8 version here. Just search for JDK 1.8 in Google and you will get a list of URLs. Out of that, you need to go to Oracle site, JDK downloads. Here I am in. I have landed in the same page, Oracle site. Before downloading the exact version, you need to accept the license agreement and click on the download button. So I have downloaded this JDK 1.8 version in my downloads folder. We need to uh, install this particular exe file. So we need to double click on this one. Let's install. So this installation will give us one wizard kind of thing. It is like next, next, next you need to do. And in between you need to change the path where you want to install the JDK. Okay, it has popped off. I need to do a start next. So it will do JDK and JRE both. Okay, it has popped off. I need to do a start next. It will do JDK and JRE both. Say OK. Now it is asking for changing JRE path also. Let's keep as default as it is. So the full bundle, that is JDK 1.8201, this 64exe file is a bundle of JDK as well as JRE. So you don't need to explicitly install the JRE, it will come along with it. Okay, it's done, successfully installed. Now the installation is done. Then we need to see and we need to go ahead by writing one Java file. You would be knowing that the text file extension is .txt and the like PPT, PDF, everything it comes along with and some extension. Like for the PDF it is .pdf, like that. The Java file will have the extension as .java. Now we'll learn something about Java now. So Java is a object-oriented language. Okay, so Java is an object-oriented language where it creates the object, okay, and works on it. So how to create an object? Let's say for example, uh, in the brick factory, there should be some framework. Like brick is an object, so there should be a frame where they will put mud and they prepare the brick. Like that, the class is the frame for a object. So object contains what? Means that defines by the class. So let's say for example, this class has a main method. So if we create an object for this sample program, then only this method will come along with it. Okay. So I have something for you. So Java is an object-oriented programming language, and by short, the class is a frame for the object, so sometimes it is called blueprint. It will have variables, methods. Okay, so methods, what are these methods? Method is something like you would be seeing here, main method. Okay, I'll I'll come later what is this public static void main. So any of main is the method. Public is access modifier, static is keyword, this is the return type, and the main method name. String is a kind of data type kind of thing, and this arguments is a variable. Okay, and here would this method dedicated to print something. So what is the something is hello and welcome in the Java console. So this is the basic structure of a class file. Now let's try to uh, run this particular Java file. Okay, to run this one you need to open command prompt. Now after installation you should see whether your Java this command it should work, like it should give as of now this one it's giving. So it has to, the usage is you have to give them the classes, arguments and all. You should check this one before running this. So you should check before running this any Java program. Now before running, let's try to run this Java file. So I'll just write Java sample program. The syntax is like this. Then it will say that could not find the load or load main class for this one. So what it is searching? So when you are doing Java sample program, what JVM does? Okay, there is one more term is coming, JVM. JVM is nothing but JVM. This is Java Virtual Machine. So JVM work is to run the program or application, to run the Java program, we can say application in the system. Okay, now JVM. Now we'd be hearing like three things: JDK, JRE, JVM. So JVM is a runtime environment where your system will have some runtime environment where it can run your Java program. So when you are installing JDK, then automatically your JVM will get created when you are running the program or when you are running the application. Okay, let's go back here. So how do I run this one? Before running this one, I should convert this Java file. Since this is an English kind of language, you need to convert this to a bytecode where this JVM can install. Sorry, JVM can understand that particular file. Now we should do a Java C sample program. These are the commands. So this all these things I'm doing without an editor. With an editor, how to do we'll learn in the next session. Now Java C sample program, the syntax is like you need to give dot Java at the end. So here also we'll get errors like Java C is not recognized as an internal and external command. Now you would be thinking why this is not running. Java is running, but Java C is not running. That means what? When you install the Java, automatically your Java, this exe file is configured in your system, but Java C is not configured. So you have to do one thing. Let's go back where the Java is is installed. So we have installed in C drive, program files. Here Java is there, JDK. Okay, you need to come to this folder, copy this path, go to the environment variables. So edit the environment variables. You need to open this environment variables. Here you will find one path variable. You need to edit this one and add the new one. Whatever we have copied, just paste it, say OK, and just OK. Here also OK. Now you need to exit this particular command prompt whenever you modify any environment variables that doesn't affect the existing command line or command window. So you need to exit this one. Again we'll open, see here cmd. Now we'll try to first compile this Java program, Java C sample program.java. Now let's see what happens. See what happens. It created one .class file which is understandable by your JVM to run this Java program. Now this is for compiling. Java C is for the compiling of the Java file. Now how to run this one? Just say Java sample program and then enter. So what it is printing? Hello and welcome. Let's review the Java file. So this Java file is just running and it is giving the printing statement like hello and welcome. Okay, now that's it. So here one more thing you need to know is this class file name and the file name should be the same, otherwise it won't work. That is the uh, follows, or that is a rule by Java. Okay, in the next session we'll learn about uh, Eclipse or any IntelliJ IDE, and we'll try to run this same Java file in that IDE. Fine. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next session. Thank you.